Hi YouTube, this is Rose from Pertain to Rose. Jumpin' Jewel Beans is with me. She's holding the camera today. I'm doing a really short video. So what we got here is some hamburger, some pumpkin. These are our own breadcrumbs that we made out of some bread that was in the freezer that was going to go freezer burn if we didn't do something up. So we toasted it all and made our own breadcrumbs and some rice. So what we're doing here, I'm going to mix all this stuff up and we're going to make meatballs. We're going to cook them on 350. And once the meatballs are done, we're going to let them cool down and we're going to slice them really thin. And then when we're done, we're going to put them in the dehydrator and make dog treats with them. Now we may sample these. Probably not on camera. But I'm going to mix everything together. I may add a little salt to it. And we're going to get this process going. This is the finished result. If you want to see, the dogs absolutely love them. And if you do regular meatballs, make your own, for your own storage, you can rehydrate these in the fridge. You put them in the fridge in some water and let them soak for a little bit and let them rehydrate. And you can pretty much tell when they're back the difference. And then you...
Now, can you use marinara sauce to rehydrate them or gravy?
You can. They take much longer.
Right, but then they would soak in that flavoring?
Yes.
Okay, that's
absolutely.
what I thought.
You could use beef broth or whatever you want to, deer broth, anything like that. So that's all I wanted to show you today. I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff started. And that's my short video day for you. Just to let you know what we're doing. And I might do another one as we do other things and then show you the finished results on a different video. Okay, love you YouTube. Bye.